Good afternoon, teacher. What is your full name? My name is Vanessa Alejandra Díaz Morales. How are you? I am 90 years old. Where are you from? I am from Sogamoso, Boyacá. Where do you live? I live with mom. What is your profession? My profession is students. What is your hobby? My hobby is to dance. What do you live with? Live with my phone. What do your students? My students is psicología. What is favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What is favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is novels. Favorite is sport. My favorite sport is basketball. From Monday to Friday, I head up at 7 in the morning. Prepare coffee, then fish my bed and my room after closing the clothes. Then I will place. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. Then I shower. When I finish showering, I start to fish and mark up after my mom and me have breakfast. I go to work. At 8 in the morning, I study my working day. I hope many people and spend much of the time on the care. At 20 of the day, I go to lunch. And 40 in the afternoon, I finish my work, schedule and routine to my house to read for about an hour. After 6 in the afternoon, I dedicate myself to the students of university and share with my friends. I love my neighbors. And Sunday, when you to maths, and the afternoon, we watch a movie of today cinema. I love you, loves.